आज हम करने जा रहे हैं अनबॉक्सिंग और हमारे पास है 2 प्रोडक्ट्स। मैंने मंगाया है अमेज़ॉन के सेल से अभी GoPro Hero 8 जो मेरा प्राइमरी कैमरा होने वाला है। ये उसका मेमोरी कार्ड है 128 GB का। हम इसको भी खोल ही लेते हैं साथ ही साथ। Here it is. This is it. This is GoPro Hero 8. Okay, let's first check बॉक्स में और क्या क्या है। ये हमें एक स्क्रू माउंट मिला एंड हमें एक ये मिला। लेट्स सी और क्या क्या है बॉक्स में। GoPro Plus के लिए कुछ कागज़ वगैरह हैं। दिस इज़ द गाइड। हमें GoPro ऐप डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा टू मेक इट वर्क प्रॉपरली। दीज आर GoPro स्टिकर, दीज आर नाइस। ये हम काम में ले सकते हैं कहीं ना कहीं। एंड ये नॉर्मल डिटेल्स। एंड ये है, आई थिंक ये हेलमेट में लगाने के लिए है। इसमें है कि GoPro आ जाएगा। सो दिस इज़ स्लाइटली हैवी, थोड़ा सा हैवी है ये। आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट इट टू बी हैवी। So we'll keep this aside. So this battery, ये इसने केबल दिया है टाइप सी चार्जिंग के लिए। इसका खोलने का तरीका, यहाँ हमारा कार्ड जाएगा, ये टाइप सी एंड दिस इज़ द आउटर कवरिंग। हम तब तक अपना मेमोरी कार्ड खोल लेते हैं। ये हमारा ये, लेट्स पुट आवर बैटरी। नहीं, यप, दिस इज प्रीटी कूल। GoPro Hero 8 guys. Nothing is, I got the 3-way selfie stick for GoPro. I got it from Amazon, and most of them have suggested that this is a must buy item if you want to do vlogging via the GoPro, because it has a built-in tripod. It has very good grip and it has a very good angle also through which we can shoot our videos. So it says 3-way grip, arm and tripod. GoPro, it's an official GoPro item. So here they show it over here, as in how we can use this thing. Okay. So there's this bolt which we got. I think we got the similar bolt over here. Yes. Here we have our official GoPro 3-way. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty solid. It has this, I think this is a locker. It has a locker saying there's a lock button, and yeah, it's a lock button. It gets locked. You cannot really do after. It won't come back unless you press this. Once you press this, you can just literally hold it like this and shoot. It's not as big. Okay, we have a tripod also over here. This is how you open up the tripod, and this is how you put it back, and obviously then you can put it like this. Okay, let me put my GoPro over here. So here we have our GoPro. The tripod stand is actually pretty weak. It won't hold off if we don't provide it a better balance. Oh, we can do something like this also. So this looks pretty good. This is how we can shoot, a video. You can just have let me start my GoPro. Yeah, it looks pretty amazing and easy to, the grip is also pretty strong. But yeah, we can also tighten this screws so that it's not moving. So for example, if I'm shooting a low scene which is lower, I can just move it smoothly like this and it will shoot the particular scene. Or for example, if I'm not convinced with that, I want to shot in some other angle, I can actually do like something like this also. I can shoot something like the most famous common use case of this is using it as a selfie stick. So you use it something like, you do see something like this. You do something like this. I think you have to tighten the screws, and you can use this as a selfie stick. It's pretty handy. I think I like it, and let's see. Let's try to unpack this one. This is the travel kit. The thing is, it's supposed to be for GoPro Hero 7. So this leeway, it's called sleeve plus lanyard. This won't probably fit with my GoPro, but the shorty is important, and this travel bag might be useful for me. It will not be sufficient for my usage, but yeah, as it said, it's a travel kit. Let's see. So this has the official GoPro logo. This is the GoPro shorty which we have. It's actually very small, and it also has a tripod. So I think this tripod is better than the one which we got with the 3-way. And yeah, we can also do, it's a very small thing, but we can do like this. We can hold our GoPro like this, and if you want, we can do something like that. I think it's also very good if you want to do something like this shot. It's very small. It's actually pretty small, but okay, it's fine. I am pretty sure this won't fit my GoPro. This is going to be useless for me. And as far as this travel kit goes, I think this will be useful for me. There is nothing much. Oh, I have a separator over here. Yeah, I can use it like this. Use it like this to keep my camera and some other accessories over here. This is not bad. This is okay. I can use it. So this was our accessory number 2. Alright. Now, a very interesting accessory which I was really waiting for is this one. This is the dual battery and the charger, and this will be really handy for my trip because it can charge 2 of my batteries at once. I already have one battery which came with the GoPro. This is the second one. Again, the battery is crazy small. Obviously, it's a Type-C charger, and obviously the battery will go here. Yep. And when we charge it, hopefully it should charge fine. As the last part of our GoPro series and all the unboxing we have done with the GoPro, the last bit of what I can say accessory which I have bought for GoPro is the GoPro light mod. The best part about this is it's waterproof. You can take this light 10 meters down the water, and also it's very compact and it's very bright. So I'll just open it. This I think is one of those things where you can, for example, I have a GoPro shorty, right? So I can use the shorty to put this over here. It's called cold shoe mount. And now, as you can see, we got tiny light. This is the tiniest light possible. It's so tiny. Okay, and this is the diffuser we got with the light. Also here we have a cable which is normal USB to Type-C. Now the light is really compact. I can put the light over here, like see, you can see like this, and there's a diffuser which you can put in our light like this, and this is how I think it gets started. See, yeah, level 1, level 2, level 3, and it's pretty amazing light, to be honest. And then there's level 4 where it will do something like that. Okay, so you hold it for 3 seconds to switch it off, and here it's the charging port. See, like this. Here you can charge it. It has a closed ending because it's a waterproof one. And without the diffuser, if you see, the light is still crazy. See, it's crazy lighting. Yeah, I'll never use it like this. I'll obviously always have a diffuser on, which will give me a much better lighting from different angles. Hey guys, so that was the end of the GoPro series. We have unboxed pretty much a lot of things. We have unboxed the Shorty, we have unboxed the 3-way, we have unboxed the light mod today. So that is it for now. I am buying only these all accessories for now. I'll try to have my setup around these accessories and GoPro and try to see how I am making the videos, if I'm able to make use of them properly, and if I need to buy something else. So until next time, see you. Bye.